Welcome back to an episode of Cooking with Neighbors. It is I, Jerry Ellen, and today we're doing a full dinner. We're doing roast chicken with some sides that would be good for Thanksgiving as well. So I'm going to tilt you down for a second. We're going to start off with our roast chicken. So here I have a chicken that's already trussed. It's already tied up. Put a rub all over it. So I'm going to put a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, like 2.5 to 3 tablespoons. To add a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, 2 tablespoons of paprika. I don't have any smoked paprika. If I did, half a tablespoon of that would be smoked paprika. A quarter of a teaspoon of cayenne, a quarter of a teaspoon of pepper, a quarter of a teaspoon of thyme, and a teaspoon of poultry seasoning. Okay, it's nice and like a paste. The sides that we are making is a creamy corn casserole and green bean casserole with maybe a little bit different than what you normally do. So I thought I'd share. Let's get this all over there. I'm making this in the air fryer. I love making roasting chicken in the air fryer. It is absolutely delicious. I got it at preheating over there to 350. And this will probably be in there for an hour and 10 to an hour and 15. Skin a little bit. Okay, let's do the first casserole. I'm going to do the creamy corn. I'm halving this recipe because we don't have many people here to eat it. So I got a half a block of cream cheese, so like 4 ounces, and 1 stick of butter, so like a half a cup. I'm going to soften that. Nice and easy peasy. I'm going to put a little bit of few teaspoons of seasoning salt, some pepper, and get a wooden spoon. You can put chopped up, if you like it spicy, some chopped up jalapenos in here. Dice them up, throw them in. That's just a bit of paprika. Transfer this oil, put a little bit of oil in my 9x9 or 8x8 there, because this is not a full casserole, and I'll show you what we put on top. And this is 3/4 of a cup of Ritz crackers. Set that aside for a second. Oven is preheated to 350. Just want to rinse this out. We're going to do the other casserole. Okay, to the saucepan, I put almost half a stick of butter. And let's turn this down. And I'm going to put a little bit of oil on it. And I have like a third of all-purpose flour. I'm going to make a bit of a roux. To be tasty. cups of milk. A little dusting of nutmeg. So this is Swiss cheese. It's about a cup and 3/4 of a cup, so almost 2 cups. And I grated that, or shredded it, or whatever you want to call it. And I got this on medium-low. And this is almost 1/4 of a cup of finely grated, like Parmesan that you get like in a shaker bottle. So I gave it 2 cups of milk, and that's probably about 1/4 of a cup more. And I'm going to turn that off. And I add some pepper. This one here. You can do white pepper if you want. I'm doing black pepper. Don't matter. I'll show you how this is built. This is a bag of frozen green beans. About 700 and some grams. I'll look it up. Okay, I don't see my butter, so I'm putting oil. I have to put more butter or margarine. Okay. If you want, you can add your cream of mushroom soup to this, or not. You know, it's up to you. Or you can saute some mushrooms and add them if you like. This is an idea I got out of the Julia Child's cookbook. So it's a little bit of Julia and a little bit of whatever. If that was buttered up really good, I'd be more happy. But anyhow, now these. You want to put these on. A little bit of oil. I'm going to throw everything in the oven. I'll be back. Okay, so let's have a look at what we made here. And what I'll do in the description box, like the show more area, you need the bird to be internal temperature to be 165, and where you get that temperature is right in between here. Okay, not the breast, because that cooks faster than the thighs, so just like right in between there without hitting the bone. And you want it to be, like, say, internal temperature 165. And yeah, but anyway, I'll put the recipes and everything in the description box. So this is what's for dinner tonight. Hubby's stuck in traffic, so yeah, we'll keep this warm, and then we'll eat when he gets in. This is amazing. This is amazing. This is amazing. And mashed potatoes are always amazing. Anyway, give it a try if you want. And talk to you soon. See you in the next video.